Okay, this question need more explanation. Okay, let's start off. Vs, the velocity vector of the ship Vb, the velocity vector of the lifeboat. Then the next velocity vector component will be either VBS or VSB. Okay. In this case, I choose VBS is mainly because the bearing of the ship respect with the Coast Guard station is 270. So if I choose VBS, that means the ship is stationary. Then since the statement here is they will intercept each other, then VBS means the boat will travel from the station at 270 degree to the ship. That's for VBS. Assuming the ship remain at the position of 30 kilometer on a bearing of 270. Okay, so VBS will be actually directly traveling from the station to the ship at a bearing of 270. Okay, in other words, if you look at this, you look VBS, ship stationary, and the condition here is the actually intercept. That means to say when VBS means when a ship is stationary, the boat will travel in this direction 270, reach the ship at 30 kilometer. Okay. Now, if this is the case, then the bearing of VBS will be 270. Okay. Then now the time taken or the speed. Given that this is between this for VBS, so the distance is 30. The time taken to intercept with the ship will be 40 minutes. 40 minutes here, you convert, it become 2 or 3 hours. So taking 30 divided by 2 or 3, you get 45 kilometer per hour. That's VBS. Okay. Now, okay, so you have these three components. So now let's go and draw let's establish the equation. We're using VBS plus VS is equal to VB. In terms of direction, we have VS, which is traveling at the bearing of 150. Okay, VBS, we also have the direction, that's at 270. Okay, therefore, since these two have the direction given, so we put two arrows here, one arrow for this, and this becomes the resultant. Okay, let's start off drawing the velocity vector diagram. Okay, now VBS, I explain here, is traveling in this direction. Let's turn the power to loop so that it will become obvious. So VBS, then followed by VS. VS is on a bearing traveling at the bearing 150. This is VS. Okay. The bearing for this is 150. Okay. Now, so this first single arrow, VS is the second single arrow. Now they will give a resultant of this. So this is Vs, which is 45 kilometer per hour. Now this one is 15, this one is actually Vs is equal to 15 kilometer per hour. Since the bearing is 150 minus the 90 degree, this will give you 60 degree. Okay, this become the V, this plus this give you the VB. Okay, so using cosine rule you can calculate VB. Okay, now find the bearing on which the lifeboat travel. So what you have to do is find this angle. Then 270 minus this, that will give the bearing of the lifeboat. Okay. Therefore, using cosine rule, you will find VB. Okay. How you do? And then after that, you use sine rule to find theta. Okay. Then for the last part here, this one is for 1, these 2, then for 2, the bearing of lifeboat is actually this angle from here all the way to here. Okay, so this is, after you find theta, you take 270 minus theta, that will give you the bearing of the lifeboat. Okay, so that's it.